letter will come, first the logo will come, Windows. Windows means that is defined about operating system. Okay, what do you mean by the operating system? The operating system is set of the computer programming. Set of the computer programming. You can see that on the screen. What is the set of the programming here? The VLC player here. I understand here. If you video editing and search, I can search it. I done the Telegram and WhatsApp and Chrome, Zoom and Mic. I have installed a lot of the application. It means what operating system the set of the all programming. It runs smoothly. The operating system help us as well as for us also and as well as software to run smoothly and even to control. The operating system help us to control the hardware. Okay, now we are going to about. Okay, now we can see that knowledge economy. We can see that one. The first developed the operating system 1950s by IPM. What is IPM? International Business Machine. What is the abbreviation of the IPM? International Business Machine. Okay, now function and operating system. What is the function of the operating system? As I told you that one, it interact with the hardware and software. As we know that one, computer cannot understand our language, so operating system can understand our language. Whatever you seeing on the screen, you can able to read it or not. For example, this PC network, series cycle pin, control pin, that is human can read it. That is a human language, but computer hardware cannot understand human language. So the operating system understand our language and it communicate with the hardware and coordinate and assign the task to the software. Whatever you want to do task, but I want to take the printout and operating system understand our language, but printer doesn't know that who are going to give the command for us. So it will communicate with the operating system. And third point, it interprets the commands and instruction. What is the interpretation? Translate. As I talk about translating our language. For example, printer. I type with the when you click the print icon, I take the print. Yes or no? Once you click the print icon, the operating system understand that one we need to take the printout. Then you set the signal to the printer to take the printout. And next one here. There are a lot of versions in the Windows that one, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. That also different categories available. It's different edition. Okay, now what are seeing that is a Windows 10. Windows 10. Actually, what is a Windows 10? Once first to opening the Windows, when you open the first time, we can say that is a grid system. What is the grid system? Like the cell. You can see here in front of your screen. See, there are a lot of options. Actually, I did not install much more application, so it's not showing the properly. Actually, the Windows 8 is Windows 10 is different, but no problems. You studying the advanced is good for you. Okay, you can say Windows 8 allows. Windows 10 allows to personalize the computer. Okay, now again, there are a lot of the widgets there. See that. We talk about the climate. I want to see the climate. By the way, nowadays no one wanted to see the computer. What is the climate here? There are a lot of versions available in mobile also. Okay, now here the feature of Windows. It provides the user friendly. User easily can understand. Anyone can understand. Yes or no? Even you can try. You can also understand that one. It's not any hardware. There is no any need in program knowledge. Okay, second, it supports a multimedia system. What is the multimedia system? It helps us to listen to the audio song also, video song also. You can do the video editing also, as well as it helps us to do the accounting also. And the third point, it supports MS-DOS command prompt. What is the command prompt? For example, I write it as a command prompt. How to bring the command prompt here? Windows key and R. This called as command. Look at this. Let me do it. It's a command key. Okay, it is called as command. If I want to open anything, see that. And what is IP? If you want to say what is IP, it's called as command. Okay. Next one, the computer system icon. As we have talked about what is a computer system icon, this is called as computer system icon. My folder name, you can change any name. No, it's not mandatory. Windows name only, not like this. You can put any name. Folder name. It depends on the username. Okay, this PC network, recycle pin, control panel. This all are called as computer system icon. Okay. Actually, generally all the system icons located on the left side of the screen. The default. Okay, the computer Windows display. Okay, The first one, once you click this PC, it displays all the drives. This is called as a drives. What is a drives? You don't know what is a drive. Nothing that it's a partition. Actually, think about it. Your how home is a hard disk, but divided into the different room like a balcony, kitchen, hall. Same here also hard disk is divided into different partition. Each partition. First partition is important. Don't it is important partition because this partition only it consists Windows application as well as Windows system application also. System application and software also installing in this location only. So we are the people never do edit and delete it anything. You don't do this partition. This in partition expert the C partition, so no problem you can do anything. But you can don't touch here the Windows partition first C drive because C that is the more sensitive. If you delete any single file also different colors, see that once you click it